volunteers are the backbone of Habitat for Humanity. And in Monmouth County here, we have volunteers who are working across the county, not only on our 84th home behind me here, but we've had First Energy volunteers out in our restore helping us make sure that we can move furniture around or helping us repair furniture, really creating an economic engine for us.
Habitat for Humanity is doing wonderful work. They've done almost close to 100 houses, and it's all local too. So it's a wonderful way that they're helping the direct community, and how I feel being a part of that is pretty good.
It feels really good to be able to put myself in the community to help out families in need. We get a good amount of ETO to use, and everything's different. Last time I planted trees, and today we're putting up drywall for Habitat for Humanity in Monmouth. It's nice to be able to actually do something for the community, you know, because at work you are there for a long period of time, and it kind of limits your availability to do things after work and volunteer. So it means a lot that the company actually gives us some time to go out and help people.